everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing video for Scrap Diva Designs October 2025 release. Thank you, Erica, for sending me these dies. You can find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com starting October 3rd and get a 10% discount using the code PRISGEMIC10. All the details are listed in the description box below. Let's get started. This release is based on Christmas and winter holiday themes. So let's look at this first die set. This first die set is called Fa La La La, and there's two different styles. One has two stitchings and another background piece, and the other one just has the two stitching background shadow and without the extra piece here. And I think you can also make these into like shakers, word shakers. So yeah, so these are really cute and a very nice big size. And then we have this Fireplace mini album. There's 2 pages. It includes the fireplace with a banner, and you can hang some stockings, lights, and there's also they're like light bulbs, and there's also these logs for the fire and some flames, and also the word Merry, as well as a layering piece for the mantle. And you can see how pretty these brick patterns are for around the fireplace. And it also includes the binding for the album, which is really cool, and the stitching on the side here. It's really nice. And next up we have these Peppermint Lollipop with bow. And it looks like there's 2 different sizes. Really cute. And here we have the Santa mini album. Again, there's 2 pages. It comes with these really cute heart glasses for the Santa and some holly leaves. And yeah, it's just so cute. Can't wait to make this. And next up we have this candy cane Rosette duo in a small and a large size. As you can see here, very cool. You can layer them, so you could even make them into 2 different colors. So one color here I would put like white, and then the other one like a color, like a pink color or a green color would look really nice. And I love to use pastel colors, so that's what it's going to be. And here we have the Santa book Memorydex, and the Santa book Memorydex has some pages here with the present and the words wish list. And here you can see some lines which you can write on, which is really cool. And you can layer the pages, make many pages, and it looks so realistic. And I just thought this was like really neat looking Memorydex card. And yeah, you can even like maybe tea stain or coffee stain the pages to make it look worn and like antique looking pages. And yeah, so super cool. And here we have the Elfshoe shaker in a small and a large size. It looks so cute, and you can hang it as like a tag or something. And it includes this like pattern for the top of the shoe. And you can even decorate this with a pom-pom at the end of this pointy shoe. Yeah, there's so many ways to decorate this, and it's like really cute. And then this one looks really cool. This Peppermint Heart Candy shaker has 4 sizes, and yeah, you can make them into shakers as well, as you can see, or you don't have to. So it just looks so pretty. Here we have some Peppermint Candy. There's 2 pages and 7 sizes, and I'm just like really thinking this is like really neat how it offers so many different sizes. One is as big as my palm, So, and it goes down in sizes. And yeah. And I'll be making these projects so that you can see them. They'll be on the lookout for sneak peeks or something, and so you can see how these projects look like. And let's move on to this one. This one is called the Gingerbread Nesting Set. So this nesting set has 5 gingerbreads, and within the 5 gingerbreads there's 3 faces. So and again, this is like 2 pages here, and yeah, so that's the gingerbread layering piece, and has these icing, and then another icing for the head, which looks kind of like this. So and it has the stitching on the side here. And then next up we have this gingerbread words, and I'll read out what the words are. Everything nice, gingerbread, bakery house, baking cookies, sugar and spice, and gingy cafe. So it's really cool that it comes with the background shadow for the words, and yeah, it looks super cute. It looks like it's all caps here. And next up we have these gingerbread script words, which are the same words, but these words are in script or writing style. So yeah, so you have 2 different styles that you can use here. And next up we have this 3D gingerbread jelly tote. This 3D gingerbread jelly tote includes a gingerbread tag, and what's really cool about this gingerbread jelly tote is that the patterns on the tote, the jelly tote, is gingerbread, so it looks really cool like that. And yeah, it's really neat. And finally we have this gingerbread shaker, and it has 2 pages. Oh, for this page, for this jelly tote, has 3 pages. Forgot to mention about that. And then so finally we have this gingerbread shaker, has 2 pages, and it's really cool. This gingerbread shaker looks really cute. Has some eyes and eyelashes with the icing, and a button, as well as this holly leaf, and it's really cute. And what else? I think that's about it. Yeah, it's really neat. Super cool. So those are the dies that I received, and you could find these all on October 3rd on scrapdivadesigns.com. And don't forget about the discount code you could use for 10% off your entire purchase. It doesn't include the bundles because those ones are already on sale. And the code is Prisgemic10, PRISGEMIC10. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!